Artificial intelligence and the future of society. Artificial intelligence is one of the most important technological developments of the modern world. It refers to computer systems and machines that are designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, solving problems, recognizing patterns, understanding language, and making decisions. In the past, computers could only follow simple instructions given by humans. Today, artificial intelligence systems can analyze huge amounts of information, improve their performance over time, and assist people in many different areas of life. As this technology continues to grow, it is expected to shape the future of society in powerful and sometimes surprising ways. One of the most visible effects of artificial intelligence is in the world of work. Many industries already use intelligent machines to complete tasks faster and more accurately than humans. For example, factories use automated machines and robots to assemble products, while banks use intelligent systems to detect fraud and manage financial transactions. Hospitals are also beginning to use artificial intelligence to help doctors diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. These developments can increase efficiency and reduce errors, which benefits both businesses and society. However, there is also concern that machines may replace many human jobs in the future. Occupations that involve routine and repetitive work are especially at risk of automation. This raises important questions about how societies will provide employment and economic security for workers whose jobs may disappear. At the same time, artificial intelligence also has the potential to create new types of employment and opportunities. Just as previous technological revolutions created new professions, the rise of intelligent technology may lead to careers that do not yet exist. People may work as data analysts, machine learning specialists, or technology ethicists who ensure that artificial intelligence is used responsibly. In addition, many jobs that require creativity, empathy, and complex human interaction are unlikely to be fully replaced by machines. Teachers, social workers, artists, and counselors provide forms of understanding and emotional support that technology cannot easily replicate. Therefore, the future of work may involve cooperation between humans and intelligent machines rather than simple replacement. Education is another area that will be transformed by artificial intelligence. Intelligent learning systems can analyze how students study and provide personalized lessons that match each student's pace and abilities. For example, if a student struggles with a particular concept, an intelligent educational program can offer additional explanations or exercises until the student understands the material. This type of learning environment can make education more effective and accessible for people around the world. At the same time, educators must ensure that students develop critical thinking skills and social abilities that cannot be learned only through interaction with machines. Schools will need to balance technological tools with human guidance to prepare students for a complex and changing future. Artificial intelligence is also influencing communication and social relationships. Many people already interact with intelligent assistants on their phones or computers to find information, manage schedules, or control devices in their homes. Social media platforms use intelligent algorithms to recommend content and connect people with similar interests. These technologies can make communication faster and more convenient. However, they also raise concerns about privacy and the control of personal data. When intelligent systems collect information about people's habits and preferences, there is a risk that this information could be misused or exploited. As a result, societies must develop ethical guidelines and regulations to protect individual rights while still benefiting from technological innovation. Healthcare is another field where artificial intelligence could bring major improvements. Intelligent systems can analyze medical images, genetic data, and patient histories to identify diseases earlier and more accurately than traditional methods. For example, advanced computer programs can detect signs of cancer in medical scans that might be difficult for the human eye to notice. Artificial intelligence can also help researchers discover new medicines by analyzing large amounts of scientific data. These developments could lead to longer and healthier lives for many people. However, it is important to remember that technology should support doctors rather than replace them, because human judgment and compassion remain essential elements of medical care. The development of artificial intelligence also raises ethical and philosophical questions about the relationship between humans and machines. Some people worry that intelligent systems could become too powerful or operate in ways that humans cannot fully control. Others fear that decisions made by machines could reflect hidden biases if the data used to train them is incomplete or unfair. For example, an intelligent system used in hiring or law enforcement might produce unfair results if it is trained on biased information. For this reason, researchers and policymakers emphasize the importance of transparency, accountability, and fairness in the design of artificial intelligence systems. Societies must ensure that technology serves the interests of humanity rather than harming vulnerable groups. Another important issue is the impact of artificial intelligence on culture and human identity. As machines become capable of creating art, music, and written content, people may begin to question what makes human creativity unique. Intelligent programs can already compose music, generate images, and write articles. Although these creations can be impressive, they are based on patterns learned from human work. Human creativity often involves emotions, experiences, and imagination that come from living in the world. Therefore, rather than replacing human creativity, artificial intelligence may become a tool that expands artistic possibilities and allows people to explore new forms of expression. The future of society will likely involve a close partnership between humans and intelligent technology. Instead of viewing artificial intelligence only as a threat or only as a solution, it is more realistic to see it as a powerful tool that must be guided by human values. Governments, educational institutions, businesses, and communities will need to work together to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and fairly. By investing in education, developing ethical standards, and encouraging public discussion, societies can shape a future where technological progress improves human well-being rather than creating new forms of inequality. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming many aspects of modern life, including work, education, healthcare, communication, and culture. It offers great opportunities to improve efficiency, solve complex problems, and expand human knowledge. At the same time, it presents challenges related to employment, privacy, ethics, and social responsibility. The future of society will depend on how wisely people manage and guide this powerful technology. If used thoughtfully, artificial intelligence can support human progress and help create a more informed, connected, and prosperous world. If you found this explanation useful and easy to understand, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more sociology and social science content that explains important ideas in simple language.